Hello everyone, welcome back once again to Lydia's Kitchen. In this video I share with you how to make salted or cured pig feet. A very simple recipe with few ingredients, and I hope you like and enjoy this recipe. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, and also comment down below what you think about this recipe. So now let's get started. So I have here pig or pork feet that I've already washed and cleaned very nicely. I will also be using rock salt or sea salt, some cloves, black peppercorns, and onions and food color for this recipe. So please continue watching to the end. This salted pig feet is also called precontre in Ashanti region of Ghana. So please comment down below what you call salted pig feet in your local language. Now to start with, I will add a good amount of sea salt or rock salt in water. The amount of water you will use will depend on the quantity of pork or pig feet you will be using. And to it, I will add about a pinch of red food color. And please consider not using too much food color, as you will not need too much of it. Just a little bit goes a long way. I'll now give it a good stir to combine. Then I will add the pig feet. And this process is called brining in salted water, as the salt will serve as a preservative for the pig feet. After adding the pig feet, I'll continue by adding the other ingredients to it. And in this same process, if you don't like the food color, you can as well use the rock salt to preserve it with the other ingredients, and it will work fine. Next, I'll go ahead and add the cloves, black peppercorns, and the sliced onions as a natural herbs. This is to add some flavor to the pork feet, but it's also optional if you don't have the spices available. Now, after adding all these spices, I'm going to let it sit on the kitchen bench for about 3 to 5 days. Please, not more than 3 to 5 days, because once you leave it for too long, the color will change and you will see some molds, white molds on top of it, which you wouldn't like it. So in order to preserve it nicely, you will leave it for 3 to 5 days, which is more than enough. So at this point, this is after 3 to 5 days. Now you can see it's well soaked in the salted water. The food color is just to make it nice and beautiful, so it's totally optional. If you don't have the food color, you can just go ahead preserving it with the salt, and it will be just fine. You can use salted pig feet in your soups and in your stews, and it's very tasty and very nice. So I hope you have liked and enjoyed this recipe. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share if you like this recipe. Now I'll go ahead and package them nicely in a Ziploc bag. And at this point, our salted pig feet is all done. So now I'll go ahead and pack them in the Ziploc bag. And at this point, it's all done and ready to be stored in the freezer. Very simple to make, and it tastes delicious when used in your soups and in your stews. And if you did enjoy this recipe, remember to give me a thumbs up, like, share, and also comment down below. Very simple, and it's looking attractive as well. So I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.